Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do my summer makeup routine. I first start off by prepping my skin with using this pH balancing milk toner. Now I'm applying the toner onto the cotton pad, and after swatching my face you can see there's quite a bit of dirt. Using my favorite moisturizer, I'm just going to apply that liberally all over my face and neck. We can't forget the eyes, so I'm just going to apply this eye cream under my eye. And of course, the most important step of this whole routine is applying SPF. I just apply this all over my face, and this acts like a primer. Now I'm just going to be filling in my eyebrows. And here I've already applied an eye primer, and I'm just kind of dabbing that in all over my lids, and I'm using this powder to set it. For the eyes, I'm keeping it simple. I'm just applying contour shades, and then I'm going to curl my lashes and of course apply my mascara, and we're nearing the end of this routine. Now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to use concealer and just apply where I feel like I need it the most, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it all. Contour time, so now I'm just applying that on the tops of my cheeks, under my jaw, and of course down the sides of my nose. For the blush, I'm just applying that on top of the contour shade, and I'm just blending that upwards. Summer makeup is all about that glow, so I've applied highlighter on the tops of my cheeks, and then I'm finishing it off with a beautiful lip liner and a lipstick, and I'm done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.